Hey guys, welcome back to the Bradforce YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about certifications and how to decide which certifications to get based on what your career path is and what your goals are with Salesforce. If you're looking to be a Salesforce administrator, meaning you're not going to be doing any coding, you want to start with the Salesforce Administrator certification. Now most people start there anyway, so where do you go from there? The logical next step is the Salesforce Advanced Administrator certification, as well as the Salesforce Platform App Builder certification. So if you're looking to simply be a very good quality Salesforce administrator, you're going to get your Salesforce Admin, your Salesforce Advanced Admin, and your Salesforce Platform App Builder certification. Once you've gotten those three, you can decide if you'd like to go a different direction, maybe into consulting or some other specialty. The next most typical career path is to be a Salesforce developer. If you're going to be a Salesforce developer, it is still very important to get the Salesforce Administrator certification to prove that you understand the basics of Salesforce. This is to avoid using code when you don't need to, because it helps you to understand what can be done with the point and click interface in Salesforce so that you're not always using custom triggers or Apex code to build things that could easily be done with a process builder. So if you want to be a Salesforce developer, start with the Salesforce Administrator certification and the Salesforce Platform Developer 1 certification. Those are definitely still the core certifications that you'll want to get. To level up from there, get your Salesforce Platform Developer 2 certification. That is to prove that you are really learning well and that you know your stuff when it comes to Salesforce development. Now from there, as an admin or a developer, you have a decision to make, and it's whether or not you want to move into a niche or if you want to move into more general consulting and understanding of Salesforce. If you're looking to understand the more general side of Salesforce, meaning you would be a very good quality core consultant for a firm, you're going to want to level up into the Sales Cloud and Service Cloud certifications at that point. So you're going to move up on your admin path up to getting Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, and you have very good core administrator certifications. And then if you want to be a developer, you're going to be over here with your developer certifications and again leveling up into those Sales Cloud and Service Cloud certifications. At that point, you are very marketable to larger consulting firms. You have 4 to 5 certifications in your very specific area, and you can move up from there. Now, a lot of times what consulting firms are looking for are the same things that you're looking for, and that is to get into a niche. So when we talk about niches, those are the very, sort of small specialties of Salesforce. So when we think about that, we're thinking about the Marketing Cloud certifications. So if you're interested in marketing, maybe you know a little bit about AMP script development, then you might want to move into the Marketing Cloud Email Specialist and the Marketing Cloud Consulting certifications. Another marketing side sort of niche is Pardot. So you can move into your Pardot Specialist and Pardot Consulting certifications if you're interested in Pardot. Now, Pardot and Marketing Cloud are very different platforms. However, they serve very similar purposes for the client in that they are marketing automation tools. Now, other niches you can get into are things like Field Service Lightning and CPQ Specialist. So those are other certifications you can get that are very sought after by Salesforce consulting firms and clients that can help you specialize to get hired more quickly. Or if you're in freelancing, they can help you get specific clients that need help with CPQ or Field Service, Pardot, Marketing Cloud, and there's so many more. Now, my advice is that you don't need to worry about becoming a technical architect or anything else until you are understanding what your goals are and where you're headed. Hopefully the certifications that I described in the video up to this point are helping you understand that we're not just getting certifications for the purpose of getting more and more certifications. We're getting these certifications with a goal in mind of where we want our career to take us. So again, if you want to be an admin and you're just starting out, we talked about the first 3 certifications you should get. If you want to be a developer and you're just starting out, we talked about the first 3 certifications you should get there. When you move up into that next level, you're getting those consulting certifications, and then you're finding your niche. There's really no need to just shoot for technical architect certifications or to just shoot to get more and more certifications if you don't have a vision for where those certifications are going to take your career. If you have 2 or 3 certifications and you haven't yet landed a job, you don't need to worry so much about getting more and more certifications. You need to focus on getting some volunteer work done and maybe continuing to study on the side, but you need to land that first job because work experience is going to be more meaningful than 5 and 6 and 7 certifications when employers are looking at your resume. I hope that helps. Please leave a comment and let me know if you have any feedback. Has that been your experience that the certifications at some point don't help you to level up in your career? And let us know what certifications you have and what you're seeing in the job field and how easy is it for you to get hired based on the certifications that you do have. As always, if you are getting value from the videos, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to get notifications when a new video is up, make sure to click the notification bell. Also check, you will see that we have some certification courses and freelance courses in the description below. Those are to help you if you don't yet have your admin certification and you're struggling to know what information you need to study. Check out our Salesforce Administrator Starter Kit. And if you want to be a freelancer, meaning that you already have a couple of certifications and maybe you want to try your hand at doing some freelance work, that is what I do. That's how I've become the highest paid administrator in the world. And freelancing is a great way to level up your income, but it does take a little extra effort. And you can check that out in the course below. Thanks for watching.